Hello traders, and welcome to a new video on Bitmex Trollbox, also known as the Bitmex Chat. These are some of the best traders on earth. Yeah, no. These traders are definitely not some of the best traders on earth. A not terrible strategy that some traders use is to read the Bitmex Chat to see what the overall sentiment is for the market, and then do the opposite. Let's look in to the Bitmex Trollbox. Okay, first one I want to show. Look at this, 1549. What are these people saying? This one, okay, I'm sorry because I do have to show the names here. Please do not give any hate to any of these people. They're just doing their job. This person said, I'm not going to name him, but this person said bears lost. And then someone else said, no, don't dump. This was at 1549. That was right here. Right before the price does dump about 2%. So all these people were saying, oh, don't dump, please pump bulls, save my house. And yeah. And just about that, when people didn't want it to dump, you know, people were saying, let's buy at 1551. Yeah, that would have been here when they were saying to buy. I mean, this guy was saying moon shoot. This guy said again, bears lost, enter long according to TA. Yeah. And then the interesting thing was after a lot of these guys had wanted it to go up, at the minute of 1601 is when the dump occurred. So we can look at chat right before that. Oh yeah, right here. Yep. So right about here is when it began to fall. As you can see, and then we got all these liquidations right there. Liquidated long, liquidated long, liquidated long. And then the interesting thing was that people were saying, oh, short max, guys, everyone's short. And that was here, right at the very bottom at 1601. This guy was saying, oh, short max. Crash now. There we go. Dumpage, boys. 100x short is safe now. So people went from being enthusiastic about longs, and now everyone wanted to short, as you can see. And then at what, 1602, the market went down a lot more, then rebounded immediately. And then some of the people were like, what is happening? Hit that market sell, boys, at 1602. Oh my god. Just trading against these guys, I mean, it's probably not a bad strategy, but I do have to say this disclaimer because you knew this was coming. Don't just use Bitmex Chat and just counter trade it, you know, what these guys are saying and what the sentiment is. You gotta use other kinds of indicators to supplement with this. This can give you a bit of a bias for, hey, in the short term, is price more likely to go up or down? Because if a lot of people say, please price go up, please price go up in Bitmex Chat, and a lot of people are saying, oh, to the moon, that's when price tends to dump. And, you know, when everyone's like, oh, short 100x, and I'm bearish, and things like that, that's when the price tends to rise. But you need to use other indicators such as order depth. You could use price action volume of your own. You could use sentiment, or you could use other kinds of indicators as well. But yeah, don't just look at this and just base your trades off that. If you do, I would recommend only doing this with a demo account or a practice account, which might be interesting. I'm looking at some other ones right here, and then we got some liquidations of the shorts here. I just saw something that said like liquidated short. Yeah, liquidated short right there at 1604. Right here was when the shorts were about liquidated, as you can see. Yep. And then liquidated short. So it went down, and everyone wanted to sell, and then the price went back up. Bitcoin is back to moon. Time to make some few bucks. Okay, this guy was wanting to go long. Yeah. Moon time, boys, at 1605. Price was here at 1605, right? Right at the very top. Then the final liquidation occurred here at 96.07. Actually, a few more liquidations happened. And this people were all saying, moon, stupid bears. You know, why would you want to sell? And when many people were thinking that why would you ever want to sell, that's when the market was at its top. So counter trading Chad here would have worked, you know, for the third time in a row for this video. In just 5 minutes of this, you know, you can just see all of this. Then everyone was like, oh, 10K, straight back to 9,500. Well, actually, that would be bearish because price was at 96 something. 10K, this is unbelievable. Yep, long. People were saying long. Only bullish case I see at 1606.56. That was here. Yeah, and then price went down. So, sorry to that guy, but it's going to explode through 10K. It definitely did not explode through 10K. Well, not yet, at least. All these messages were just bullish, long. Look at this. Long. All right, now let's go to the most recent chat. This is the live. Okay, come on. Here we go. Okay, so right now this is recent chat. Actually, what I want to see, guys, is what was the sentiment when price on 1623? When price was beginning to dump. Actually, I want to go find that out because that's going to be interesting. Were people actually saying, oh, this is going to dump at 1622, 1623? Okay, so 1622. It's bearish. I think that guy's trying to say it's bearish. Okay. This is adding to shorts. Okay, so this guy was bearish. You can make money both ways. Now we're going back down. He said that at 16, or he or she said that at 1623, right there. Yeah. Drop soon. Dump the Ponzi. Please pump it to 10K. I need to pay for my loans. Yeah. Run for your life. All right. And then we actually did have, do we have liquidations? No, we just had people posting their shorts. So people started posting their shorts at 1623 when price was here. That's when we got this short that was posted, this short that was posted, and this short that was posted by these people here. And then price went up. Yeah. So that was exactly what I had expected. And you can use this in the short term. It's pretty fun to just read these messages in the short term as price makes short-term bottoms, short-term tops, and you just see what people say. Because when price goes down and everyone's bullish, price tends to keep going down. When price goes down, then everyone's posting their shorts, saying this is going to dump. That's when price just goes right back up. And I also want to look at what happened at 1616 because price did quickly, well, not like a ton of a big rise, but it was about 0.3% rise at 16. What was it? What did I say? 16. Perfect. So that's here. So this is when, yeah, this is when price was beginning to go up, but it actually just didn't go up anymore. Schrodinger's pump. Yeah, I don't think that too many people were really just screaming it was a pump. I think that a lot more people were saying, you know, it was going to dump when price was here before. Yeah, they all said that, and then price just rose. And now, okay, so price just fell a bit. So what is the genius Bitmex Chat saying here? Let's see. All right, so 1639, which was 2 minutes ago, we got, oh, what do we do? Bears are in control. Well, this guy was kind of right. He posted bears were in control right around here. All right, let's see. Anyone trading this scam? I'm going to refresh the page because this is the archive, so I want it to be live. All right, so here's all the live stuff here. Oh, we actually did get a liquidation of long of, is that 1 million? Dang, 1,063,488. Wow, at 1641. So there actually was a pretty big liquidation around here that just happened about a minute ago. Don't panic, don't panic, don't panic. Huh, real dump now? Don't panic. Okay. I'm just trying to gauge the sentiment here if it's bearish or bullish, and it's kind of unclear. It's funny how many people ask questions of other traders in the chat, like, oh, is this the real dump now? Or what should I do? Or are fibs still useful? Or anyone trading this scam, you know? The Bitmex chat really is the 8th wonder of the world. That's gonna go up on a wall somewhere. All right. Anything else that we get? A lot of people just saying, okay. This was right before the price fell. Pump time, posted at 1636. That was here. And no, price did not pump, it fell. Okay, lovely post. Which is bullish, posted at 1635, right before price fell. Long here for free money, haha dump, will bears bulls win? I have no idea what that means. I don't even know what that guy's trying to say. Bears lost. Ooh, this is interesting. Bears lost. The next target is 10K. At 1633, it was posted that Bears lost. That was right here near the top, near this very short-term top before prices fell. Interessante. Very interesting. Alright guys, I think I want to end the video here soon. This is not, as you can probably tell, not a super serious, in-depth strategy video. But I will say that there are some wonderful things that you can do with Bitmex Chat, We have 30 mentions of long, 54 mentions of short. You can do things like that. 18 mentions of bull, 41 mentions of bear, up, 28 mentions of up, or, well, that's like support a lot, so 10 mentions of up, and 12 mentions of down. You can do things like that that are kind of interesting. And there are a lot of ways that you can use this data. And what I like to do is to use the archive and then use an auto refresher, as you can see here. Yeah. And I like to auto refresh this every 30 seconds because I find that that can be very helpful. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. And if you think that this might be a helpful strategy, I think that this isn't a strategy you should use by itself. I think that this is actually not a terrible strategy to gauge the overall sentiment in the very short term of Bitmex traders, to see what people want, and then expect price to likely do the opposite. So, not a super serious video today, but we may get a more serious video on Friday. Oh, we get more here. I think I actually have to go, forward here. That's why it wasn't updated. Just close my short. It's just too interesting to watch these guys. All right, guys, that's going to do it. I will link this exact page, the archive of Bitmex Chat, so you can be live to go. And trading against these guys might not be a terrible idea, but do it with risk management and with other indicators. All right, see you guys.